Do you know you can perform quick action on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra without opening apps? Let me show you how using the task panel in Edge panel. First, swipe the Edge panel handle to open it. Then go to the task panel. Here you will find quick action such as setting an alarm, taking a screenshot, or opening camera and video function. This shortcut helps you perform common tasks faster without needing to open each app manually. For example, you can tap Add Alarm to instantly go to alarm setting, or tap Take Screenshot to capture your screen immediately. At the bottom, you will also see Edit button. When you tap it, you can add, remove, or rearrange task shortcut based on what you use most. This allows you to customize the panel so your most useful actions are always easy to access. And that's how you use and customize the task panel on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.